Thank y'all. Again, that song is called Majiza. Turn the bass down. Yeah, there we go. All right, this next song is about company. It's about basically moments like this where we're all coming together. And I wrote this song from a place of, we live in a world that's always connected, or we, feel like we always, can connect to someone. Right now, anyone in the crowd could call any member of their family or anyone in the world. You call somebody across the world right now. With all that connectivity, we've really lost actual connectivity and being together. So events like these really bring people together. And so this song is called I'd Love Company.
Sometimes I like to be in the arms of my mentorees. Ones like me, being alone is fine. But I love company. We could all be solo together. Take our time, fill the space with our lives. Like those who tried to drink in your soul, who sung a line and you told it to the point in which you think you were the only melody without a harmony, idle but without a song to sing. But we could all be so low together. Take our time.